Alright guys, this is the closing 4912 I picked up today. I've already started de-rusting, getting ready to start stripping paint. I've already tried the lathe mechanically before I picked it up. It works fine. Gonna need some tooling, but I mean, it'd be a great little lathe to have around the shop. Just need some TLC. Alright guys, it's been about an hour and 10 minutes since the lathe got here. I've already got the first coat of stripper and I'm scraping now. A lot of work. But I'm getting down to bare metal. It's not taking that long. Just a lot of scraping to do. I'll report back in an hour. I wish I could tell you I had a clue how many hours I have in this now, but I don't. You can see I'm getting a lot of it down to bare metal now. Still a long ways to go though. Lots of old paint and whatever crap was on this thing over the years. But there is metal underneath. Ways seem to be in pretty good condition. Headstock spindles seem to be pretty tight. Just a lot of gunk. A lot of stuff to clean. I figure if I get some decent weather, I'll be done by the weekend and ready to paint. Got to tape up all the emblems, the one I can't take off, and I got to order some from Closing. They said they do have them in stock to replace the ones you can't read anymore. Should be a pretty decent little lathe. Check back in later. Alright guys, thought I'd take one more shot before I start painting this thing. She's stripped down to bare metal. The black you see is rust treatment. After I ground, I wanted to treat the areas that had a rust problem with that chemical that turns rust back into iron or whatever. It kills it. This stuff right here. You can see everywhere I put it's kind of a purple black. I did not take the lathe completely apart. This isn't a full restore. This is just a quick paint job. The lathe's actually in really good shape mechanically. The paint that I'm going to use for this is a Rust-Oleum based 3700 Systems acrylic enamel. I have used this before on machines and it works really well. I'll be back after it's painted. Alright, I got the first coat on. Excuse my cough. Allergies out here, the pollen. Looking like a machine again. I think it's going to probably take at least 2 more coats. Starting to look decent though. I'll check back in. Alright, she's got paint on her. I still have to do the tailstock and all the handles and stuff, but I'm going to do this separately. Looks pretty decent for a quickie paint job. I did take it to bare metal, so it should be a decent paint job. And I applied that with a spray gun. It's got about 5 coats on it. And there she is. More updates to come later.